Oh.
Watch out, I say.
Oh my gosh, something's coming.
You're lying.
Oh, fuck!
What?
Oh,
What?
fuck! Oh, fuck the head! Get over here, get on the desk, get on the desk, get on the desk.
Oh my.
The skull's still there, Chris.
He is?
Yeah.
No, ew, it's still here! Bro, move it out the way, it's gonna break the shit!
Oh my god, Damien? Oh my.
Bro, we have
Hold
not
on.
beaten this place.
Damien,
bro.
let me give you some help. Hold on. Turn around, turn around. There you go.
I'll give you some help.
Just do it once.
What? If
Oh,
you see
yeah.
it now, don't be scared of it. Pick it up and
Yeah.
smash it up.
Just
Just smash
slam.
the fuck out of it. I didn't know. Bro, I was getting attacked. I just started going crazy at it.
Yeah.
What's up?
Okay, Isaiah,
Don't look.
Damien, you're gonna see.
Don't look at it.
You're gonna see tall fucks. Just don't look at him. Just look away when you look at him. Look. Damien, look at me, lost. Para tu.
What's up, Diana?
I'm gonna turn off crouch with C because I don't use anything else. But
Guess who?
Oh, fuck!
What? Nigga!
What's that? What is? What happened? Couldn't make it any more obvious that there's people in this fucking house.
Galaxy!
Oh my god! Shut the fuck up!
Hey, R.E.P.K was good. Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god! Fucking imbecile.
How the fuck?
What an imbecile.
You were too close. Oh no. Well,
Hey, at least I don't have to hear him.
Yeah,
fucking
scream
screaming,
Galaxy.
Galaxy! Galaxy!
Galaxy!
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! No! I'm good!
Isaiah. Look at Isaiah hiding. He just witnessed a fucking murder, bro.
Look at his eyes! I did just... Oh, it's getting fucked
What
up.
happened?
It's getting fucked up.
Yeah! Fuck you, bitch.
Oh.
Is it dead?
Oh!
Oh!
Thank God. Let's see how much it is. Let's get the fuck out. Oh my God, 100 more!
Earth. That's shit that I fucking with. What the fuck are you doing? Bro, we have to pay for that, you fucking asshole.
No,
That's
you
your
don't.
idea, bro.
Fucking dumb.
Yes,
No, you
we're
don't.
minus 5K.
Look at what's in the fucking cart!
You have something in the cart?
Yeah!
Oh, I thought you had the fuck. I thought you fucked it
No!
up.
You can on it.
Shockwave. Is there another?
Done now.
You do it with the other ones, bro.
Yeah,
Damn.
it's a chainsaw.
No, come here. Come here. Look what's up there,
What?
and look how much it is.
What do you mean? 11K. We gotta grab small things. We gotta.
Yeah, put it in the bottom.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Put that shit. Hey, get that off. Get that off. Get that off. I got a fucking goddamn.
Oh my
Look at that. I know.
It didn't count.
It's not gonna take it! See?
Okay,
lift
thank
it up,
God.
lift it up.
Let's do this quick.
Drop it.
Okay, drop it.
There.
Oh, we got it. Wait, hold on. Do we actually?
No, we...
Oh fuck!
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh my god! I just fucking flashed myself. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! What the fuck?
The fuck was that?
Oh shit! He got me! Damn you!
What the fuck?
No, this is creepy as fuck.
Yo, what the fuck?
Oh, he's gonna violate me. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's what you want to act. All right, where are you? I got. Oh, come here. Yeah, what up? Fucking bitch. Oh shit!
Oh, he was- it sounds like me was on you.
Bro,
That motherfucker
fucking
is
took me to
scary.
his chamber, bro.
Oh my god, he's there.
Oh, I knew it. What the fuck? Where's he taking me? Where's he taking me? Where's he taking me? This dude's gonna freaking touch me, bro. What the fuck? Nasty ass. Where are you taking me, bro? Bro, what the fuck? He has me in the corner, bro.
He didn't die.
That's funny.
What the fuck are those right there?
Oh.
Bro, it's like big ass gnomes right there. You seen that? Oh, they about to get fucking manhandled.
Bitch.
Oh my god. He's clutching.
Hey,
My head.
Oh, he can grab the money.
Yeah.
He can grab the money. 7,000. I think we get rid of. I think we get
This dude.
Is this dude is laughing.
The worst goblin ever. What is this
Oh
shit?
my god.
He's going the wrong way.
Oh my god, shit lost.
Isaiah, tell him to
Fuck
press
lost.
tab and watch out with the fucking money.
Survive, bro. What the fuck on
Oh my god.
This dude is where he's gonna
That's
get
like-
there is gonna be worth $1,000.
Oh my. Did you see that? Did you see that motherfucker? Dude!
No.
He's grabbing.
No.
Look, it takes you to
Let me
it.
go.
Look, it takes you to the enemy.
Oh my gosh, I'm cooking.
Watch,
I'm
look,
fucking-
see?
He's dead. He's dead.
No, no, no.
It's gonna.
I can smell you.
Oh my god.
That dude-
Oh my
He
god.
didn't look at his head. Lips.
He literally looked at Damien's like, just so you know, I know where you're at, and just fucking walked.
That's some bullshit. What the fuck?
My head was in here.
Wow, some bullshit.
That's lucky. Alfred.
Oh,
Hey. Back the fuck up before you get hurt, buddy. I remember what you did.
oh my God.
See?
Isaiah doesn't know.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
He's dead.
Oh, bro. Dude.
Fuck.
Oh, they're coming.
These little fuckers.
This nigga swears they're not.
Oh.
The BBC's life gonna take him.
This-
Did he? Oh, Damon's dead.
This him.
Damon's dead. He's dead. All this work. No. Oh my God.
Fucking what? Before that.
Oh my God. Oh my. Behind you. Damien, turn around.
Oh my gosh, she's just spawning in.
Dude, there's so many. Why is there so many now? Holy shit. They finna fucking backshot, dude. Oh my God. I'm over here, oh my. Tiptoeing in my Jordan. They're over there fucking plotting. You saw that?
Yeah, they're like, alright, you're gonna get him on the left, I'll get him on the right. I know where he is.
He's gonna smack that. Oh
Yeah,
my.
Tim's on too, bro.
He does. Dude.
Oh my god, bro. They.
What the fuck is that?
Nice. Good shit.
Oh my God, I thought they zapped his ass.
How do I leave?
Press the mail. The mail behind you. On the TV. Hold the mail.
Oh my God, crouch!
Oh my god, it's coming.
Oh
Give me that.
Because he's
Oh, I've
blind.
never seen this.
Oh
I've
my
never
God,
seen this.
what the fuck?
Oh my god, the Electa. I'm gonna take this. Watch out. Oh.
Hey. You dropped this, Damon.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, thank you, King.
This motherfucker's getting munched.
Damien died, I think.
No, dude, so. Oh, he got a gun.
It's Isaiah.
Where'd I go?
Oh. They respond to sound. They respond to sound, Damien. I swear to God, I seen your cousins right there. They found the other one. Yeah.
Yeah. The other one's right there. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, I got. Oh, what the fuck is he shooting? Is that Damien?
I don't know. fucking inside.
Fuck! Oh my god! Go!
How did it table?
Nah.
Oh my god.
Get your fat ass back here.
Guys, let's take this over to that other location.
Oh, motherfucker!
Isaiah!
Isaiah, I don't know if you can hear me, but this nigga demon said Isaiah like it was Ricky 2.0.
As it is, so you guys are good now. You guys are good now.
We're good.
Damn it! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Pick him up.
What is that?
They're bombs. They suicide.
You said pick them up. Move out the fuck out the way, little. Oh my god!
Sorry, David. Oh my god! David. Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Yo!
What happened? What happened?
I'm truly. I can't even say. This cause I exploded and I went flying and I say it there. And he had the thing go. It looked like he was gonna catch me. Oh my god. That was so fucking funny, nigga. Hold on, I gotta stop recording. I gotta save this. Oh my god, damn it! It's because I.
Oh my god!
It's because I said Isaiah. Look, this was the angle. Damien, look. Damien, this was the angle.
And all I see is fucking Kris jump in the air and this boom, and he just goes something like a cannonball, hit me right in my fucking face.
You gotta send me that clip, Isaiah. You gotta fucking find how to get that clip. He had the best angle.
I'm gonna stop recording and start recording again.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, dude. Just imagine my head like this,
Oh
but.
my god! No!
Oh!
Tiptoeing in my jaw.
Oh my god.
Tiptoeing in my jaw.
I'm about to fuck them up, y'all. Hold on. Oh, he saved. Oh my! Yeah. Oh! Oh my! Oh yeah, whoosh guys! No! The end.
That game was so fucking.
You gotta find that.
Yeah, bitch, I'm fucking fed up with this fake love. Bitch, I'm fucking fed up with this fake love. Bitch, I'm fucking fed up with this fake love. Bitch, I'm fucking fed up with this fake love. Metal fingertips and I'm gripping on the tits. Watching on my heart.